Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is April 28th, 2025, and we're diving into the first quarter earnings report of Roper Technologies. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, Roper Technologies has just released their Q1 2025 financial results. Can you give us a brief overview of the company and what we can expect from this report?
Thank you. Roper Technologies is a diversified technology company known for its market-leading businesses in vertical software and technology-enabled products. In this report, we'll see how Roper has performed in terms of revenue growth, profitability, and strategic acquisitions, particularly their recent acquisition of Central Reach.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Roper Technologies reported a net revenue of $1.88 billion for Q1 2025, which is a 12% increase compared to last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Roper's revenue growth was driven by an 8% contribution from acquisitions and a 5% organic growth. The acquisition of Central Reach played a significant role, and the company continues to benefit from its strategic focus on high-quality acquisitions and organic expansion.
And how about profitability? How did Roper perform in terms of net earnings and earnings per share?
Adjusted net earnings increased by 9% to $517 million, and the adjusted diluted earnings per share rose by 8% to $4.78. This indicates strong operational performance despite a decrease in GAAP net earnings due to acquisition-related expenses and minority investment impacts.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. In Roper's operational efficiency seems to be a highlight. Can you elaborate on their EBITDA and cash flow performance?
Absolutely. Adjusted EBITDA increased by 9% to $740 million, reflecting strong operational efficiencies. Although operating cash flow slightly decreased by 1% to $529 million, the trailing 12 months adjusted operating cash flow grew by 12%, showcasing Roper's robust cash flow generation capabilities.
Looking ahead, what is Roper's outlook for the rest of 2025?
Roper has increased its full-year guidance, expecting adjusted DEPS between $19.80 and $20.05, up from the previous range. They anticipate a total revenue growth of around 12%, driven by resilient demand and a strong acquisition pipeline.
Strategic acquisitions and market position. Roper's acquisition strategy is a key component of their growth. Can you tell us more about their recent acquisition of Central Reach and its impact?
Roper completed the acquisition of Central Reach, a cloud-native software provider, which contributed significantly to their revenue growth. This acquisition aligns with Roper's strategy of targeting high-growth, high-return businesses, and it strengthens their recurring revenue base.
How does Roper's disciplined M&A strategy position them in the market?
Roper's disciplined and process-driven capital deployment strategy, supported by significant M&A firepower, positions them well to capitalize on attractive acquisition opportunities. This approach has historically enabled them to compound cash flow and shareholder value effectively.
Key takeaways. In summary, Roper Technologies has delivered a strong performance in Q1 2025 with impressive revenue growth and profitability. Their strategic acquisitions and disciplined approach continue to drive their success. John, any final thoughts on Roper's investment prospects?
Roper's ability to consistently grow through strategic acquisitions and operational efficiencies makes them a compelling investment. Their increased guidance for 2025 reflects confidence in their business model and market position.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Roper Technologies' performance in the comments below.